So this is part one of our truck camper rebuild. What we have here is the 70s Red Tail coach company. I got it for free from my mom actually. She started it and then she's moving, so time was kind of an issue, so she passed it on for free. But as you can see, it's got quite a bit of work that needs to be done. She actually started some of it, so that helped out quite a bit. Some of the problems it has were actually rot, which is going to be replaced. This hole right here is actually going to be filled because that's for the propane heater, but we're not going to run a propane heater. We're going to run everything off of solar, and we're going to have a little Mr. Buddy propane heater that's actually going to be ran off of it. The story behind this is we picked it up down in Austin, Texas from a guy who had supposedly started restoring it, but we think he got it from somebody that started restoring it because he didn't know any of the history on it. But some of the stuff had already been replaced. Newer wood. And then some of the stuff my mom already did, like she replaced some of the wood paneling on this side, so this side's pretty much good. It's already been sprayed with mold resistant. Mounts are secure again. And so as soon as I got it home, grabbed my kids and we gutted it. So I'll show you the inside of it, what we're working with.